A few weeks ago, I caught myself doing something that made me uncomfortable. I opened ChatGPT. Not because I had a difficult problem. Not because I needed help. But because thinking for myself suddenly felt slower. That moment stayed with me. Because I realized something. The biggest danger of AI isn't that it will replace our jobs. It's that it might slowly replace something much more important. Our willingness to think. And the scary part? It doesn't happen overnight. It happens one small habit at a time. Today, I want to share the habit I noticed in myself, because I think millions of people are developing it without even realizing it. When AI answers before you think. Imagine a teacher asks a difficult question in class. Before anyone has time to think, one student quietly reaches for ChatGPT. Now imagine an entrepreneur receives a challenging email from an unhappy customer. Before thinking through the response, they ask AI to write it. Or imagine a software developer encounters a bug. Before trying to understand what went wrong, they immediately paste the error into an AI assistant. None of these people are doing anything wrong. In fact, AI gives them useful answers. But something subtle begins to change. Their first instinct is no longer to think. Their first instinct is to ask. And over time, that tiny habit becomes automatic. The danger isn't using AI. The danger is forgetting that your own mind should always be the first place you look for answers. AI should be your second thought, not your first. The difference between assistance and dependence. Imagine walking with a friend who uses a walking stick after an injury. The stick helps them move. But as they recover, they slowly begin walking without it. Now imagine someone who keeps using the walking stick long after they've healed. Eventually, their muscles become weaker because they're relying on support they no longer need. Technology can work the same way. Used wisely, AI strengthens us. Used carelessly, it can slowly weaken habits we once practiced every day. Critical thinking. Decision making. Problem solving. Reflection. The goal of AI was never to replace those abilities. It was to support them. The difference between assistance and dependence is simple. Assistance makes you stronger over time. Dependence makes you uncomfortable without the tool. That's the line we should never cross. A great tool should increase your ability, not replace it. Why struggle is still necessary. Think back to when you first learned to ride a bicycle. You probably fell. Lost your balance. Felt frustrated. But every wobble taught your body something. Now imagine if someone had carried you everywhere instead. You would have avoided every fall. But you would never have learned to ride. The same principle applies to thinking. Sometimes, the struggle is the lesson. When we wrestle with a difficult idea, try to solve a problem, or sit with uncertainty, our minds grow stronger. AI can remove friction. That's one of its greatest strengths. But if it removes every struggle, it may also remove some of the very experiences that help us grow. Not every difficult problem should be solved in 30 seconds. Some are worth sitting with. Because the person you become while solving them is often more valuable than the answer itself. Growth often hides inside the problems we try hardest to avoid. What happens when you stop asking your own questions? Children ask hundreds of questions every week. Why is the sky blue? Why do birds fly? Why do people dream? Curiosity comes naturally. But something interesting happens as we grow older. We begin looking for faster answers. Instead of exploring, we search. Instead of wondering, we prompt. And little by little, the habit of asking our own questions starts to fade. The irony is, AI becomes most powerful in the hands of curious people. Not because it replaces curiosity, but because it rewards it. The best conversations I've ever had with AI didn't begin with perfect prompts. They began with genuine curiosity. The kind that only a human mind can create. The quality of your questions will always shape the quality of your future. The AI users who grow fastest think first, prompt second. A few months ago, I noticed something interesting. Whenever I faced a difficult problem, my first instinct had become, let me ask ChatGPT. Then one day, I tried something different. Before opening AI, I forced myself to think. Just for 5 minutes. No prompts. No searching. No shortcuts. At first, it felt uncomfortable. But something unexpected happened. I began noticing ideas I would have completely missed if I had gone straight to AI. Then, when I finally opened ChatGPT, the conversation became dramatically better. Not because AI had changed. Because I had. The best AI users don't expect AI to do all the thinking. They arrive with ideas, questions, opinions. Then they use AI to challenge them, improve them, and expand them. That's the difference between using AI as a crutch and using AI as a collaborator. Think first. Prompt second. That's where the real magic happens. The rule that changed how I use AI. These days, I follow one simple rule. Before I ask AI anything, I ask myself the same question first. Even if my answer is incomplete. Even if it's wrong. Because something important happens in those few moments. My brain begins connecting ideas. Making assumptions. Finding patterns. Then, when AI responds, I'm no longer accepting its answer blindly. I'm comparing it with my own thinking. Sometimes AI changes my mind. Sometimes it confirms what I already believed. Sometimes it shows me a completely different perspective. But every conversation starts with one thing. My own thought. That tiny habit has completely changed the way I learn, work, and solve problems. Because AI is no longer replacing my thinking. It's sharpening it. Use AI to challenge your thinking, not to avoid it. The habit I hope never becomes normal. Imagine a generation that never struggles with difficult questions. Never debates ideas. Never wrestles with uncertainty. Because every answer is only a few seconds away. At first, that sounds efficient. But think about what might quietly disappear. Patience. Curiosity. Deep thinking. Original ideas. History has shown us something fascinating. Every great invention solved a problem. But every great invention also changed human behavior. The calculator changed how we do arithmetic. GPS changed how we navigate. Smartphones changed how we remember information. AI will change how we think. The question is, will we let it think for us, or will we use it to think better? That choice is still ours. And I believe it always will be. The future doesn't belong to people who ask AI the most questions. It belongs to people who never stop asking themselves questions first. I don't believe AI is making us less intelligent. But I do believe it gives us a choice. We can use it to replace effort, or to multiply our ability. We can become passive consumers of answers, or active creators of better questions. The technology itself isn't the danger. Our habits are. So the next time you open ChatGPT, pause for a moment. Think first. Even if only for a minute. You might be surprised by how much you already know. And when you finally ask AI, you'll discover that the best conversations don't begin with a prompt. They begin with a human mind that's willing to think.